Hey friends, if you wish to fix HELLDIVERS true fail to connect to server error, then I'll help you with it. So here's the procedure. First of all, you need to restart HELLDIVERS 2, which is to close the game and then start it once again. The second one is to check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and check the speed of the internet. The next one is to disable crossplay in Helldivers 2, and the procedure is to pause the game, enter the options tab. Now, the next stage is to select gameplay, find the crossplay option, toggle crossplay off, and lastly to save the changes. After this, you need to verify Helldivers 2 game files, and for this you need there are options given for Steam like open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, properties, local files tab, and then verify its integrity. Or and if this doesn't work, then you go and also try it for PS5. Go to the home screen, options, check for updates, and follow the instructions. Lastly, you can also disable firewall and antivirus on your system and contact the Helldivers to support. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section of this video. If not, we will help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.